welcome back to the channel, and today morning we are going to make a keto French toast, and let's get on to it. First you need a keto bread like this. You can see the recipe here, how to do that, and let's get started. You can get as much as you want, but usually I take 3 like half a centimeter wide breads like this. That would be my breakfast. And then you take a bowl. You break up 3 eggs. Depends on how eggy you like your French toast. You can do it with 2 also. Then you mix the eggs together. Alright, now you put your bread into the egg and you make the bread to soak up the eggs as much as you like. I really like it when it's eggy, so you can just leave them in for like 1 or 1.5 minutes so they can suck up the eggs. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to us if you want to see recipes like this, and just hit this big red button, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you always get the newest recipes. Alright, this looks done now, and I really like it when there is bacon wrapped around. So you just take 1 slice of bacon. This is like an organic bacon. You take your bread and you wrap it around. Alright, when you're done with this, you use organic coconut oil, flavorless, and I use 2 spoons with this. You heat this up and then you put your French toast in there. It's good to turn them time to time so they don't get burned. Alright, so this is the good done French toast. This is like slightly goldish brownish on both sides, and then it's good. You can take them out. This is how it looks when it's done, and I like to use a pinch of salt on it. Make sure you use a quality salt for your electrolytes. This one is a really good brand, like this. And you can take salads to it, or an egg, a sunny side up eggs, and it's a perfect breakfast food. I hope you like this video, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. I will put the color data on the screen, you will see it there, and the recipe is on our website, and it's in my fitness pal also. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.